Hello, we just moved here about 2 weeks ago. Our first issue was here that we saw a lot of plastic here and there. I was really worried about it, so I wanted to make a place where we can put plastic garbage because there is no pickup service for plastic. So we will make a big place for plastic and put plastic there for a few months and then we will take it away. A few days ago we got some new wood. And this is scrap wood. We can't use it in our work, so we will just use this wood, and with nails we will make a big bin for plastic, and we will show the process.